Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable location tags for camera on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus smartphone. To do that, we're gonna have to open the camera application on this smartphone, then tap the 4 circles icon to open additional settings, and then tap the gear icon to go to the camera's general settings. After that, navigate down to General, find location tags, and toggle them on. Select while using the app. And right now, whenever you take a picture, you will have the location tag attached to it, which you'll be able to find in the photo information. To disable this feature, just toggle this feature off. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.